Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the power chain and phone so charging is reliable. Connect a 20W plus USB-C adapter to the Magsafe puck and plug into power. Make sure the cable is not twisted. Once done, remove or swap a thick case for a Magsafe compatible one because magnetic alignment matters. Wireless coils must sit close. Place your iPhone on a flat, level surface. Aligning magnets starts the pairing. You're now ready to position the phone precisely and watch the animation confirm charging. You now focus on correct alignment and thermal behavior for efficient power transfer. Gently bring the iPhone to the puck until you feel the magnet snap. The charging animation confirms proper coil alignment and optimal current delivery. Once aligned, avoid placing metal objects or cards near the puck because they block coils and can heat up. If you need faster charge, keep the phone in portrait orientation to help heat escape. Make sure ventilation and ambient temperature are moderate for sustained performance. You complete setup by monitoring the charge and handling the phone safely. Let the phone reach your target percent. When finished, slide the phone off the puck rather than pulling the cable. If charging fails, first power cycle the phone and try the Magsafe again because software hiccups can block wireless charging. If still no charge, swap the 20W plus adapter, try a different outlet, or remove the case to verify magnetic alignment. Make sure iOS is updated and the puck and cable show no visible damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.